Hello everyone, welcome to the review of the Mercure Pattaya Ocean Resort. Room type is the Ocean View Suite. We review during the COVID lockdown and breakfast is in-room services. Please subscribe People Review channel for more hotel review. Thank you. The hotel located in the northern Pattaya area. There are 3 hotels in the same entrance: Ibis Pattaya, Mercure Pattaya, and Holiday Inn. The Mercure Pattaya is not a beachfront hotel. There are few rooms facing to the ocean and the rest are partially ocean view. I stayed here during COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. All facilities are closed. Everything has to be served in room only. There are breakfast box service and you have to choose the set in advance during check-in. Our room type is Ocean View Suite, located at the corner of the building. There are 2 rooms, 1 living room and 1 bedroom, which bathroom is in the middle. Here is a welcome fruit for Gold and Platinum member. Here is the minibar area. All the drinks in refrigerator are complimentary because the lounge are closed during COVID pandemic. The bedroom is facing to the ocean, so you can get fully ocean view. As you know, the hotel is not the beachfront hotel, so the view is blocked by the Holiday Inn. The bathroom is compact, no bathtub, and the amenity kit is from Mercure brand. There is a little balcony next to the living room, which offers you a partially sea view. Unfortunately, I did not have a chance to visit swimming pool and the water park because they are closed during COVID pandemic. Breakfast are served as a boxes as we order in advance since we check in. I did order one set of Eastern dish and another set of Western dish. Mercure they offer just half price compared with the nearby hotel just like Holiday Inn. I would say this place is a good choice if you concern a room size, place, location, and partially sea view. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.